This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Bethany White. Come see this beautiful home in Talbot Park today. Walk into an open-style floor plan with gorgeous hardwood floors. Open dining room perfect for entertaining. Large kitchen with tons of cabinet space. Stainless steel appliances and granite countertops. Mudroom off of the kitchen with laundry. Go upstairs to the spacious primary bedroom and bath with a jetted tub to relax. New HVAC 2022. Venture out back for a cozy deck and large backyard. Garage perfect for extra storage. Close to interstates, shopping, and bases. For more information, review the details below.